All right, so you might be wondering, what are we even building here? And we are building a brand new entry into the adventure bike category. So far, there are tons of middleweight adventure bikes, almost one from every major motorcycle manufacturer. But they all have a common flaw. They are all heavy and low powered. For an example, I've got the 2022 Aprilia Touareg 660, very similar engine size. It's making 80 horsepower, so it's down 30 horsepower from this similar engine size, and it weighs 450 pounds. From the factory, this sport bike only weighed 380 pounds, and this dirt bike only weighed 250. We're expecting our adventure bike to weigh somewhere in between these two numbers. Hopefully right around 3 to 330 pounds. This bike will weigh 330 pounds and will be producing 110 horsepower. There are no other current manufactured motorcycles that fit into this category. No one else is making something with a high revving sport bike engine. All the other adventure bikes, especially the middleweight stuff, and actually anything bigger too, all have giant 2-cylinder engines. Aprilia 660, parallel twin. Tenere 700, parallel twin. KTM 690, single cylinder. Everything else, big, torquey, really heavy. This is gonna be the first thing out there that's got high revving, high horsepower, lightweight. Let's get to it. Alright guys, what you're looking at here is the carburetors. These serve as both your throttle input and fuel delivery system. It's like your complete fuel injection system in one. You can see you've got one throttle body per cylinder on these. Each one of these injects, well not injects, but sprays fuel into the cylinder. And we will most likely not be using these ones anymore. I have something cool in mind for the final fuel injection system. This is stopping point for tonight. We got the wiring harness out. We got the radiator removed. I might be staying too close. Wiring harness out, radiator removed. All other electronics that we need removed are removed. All the fairings are off. The chain is cut and removed. One small thing I wasn't expecting is that the clutch cable is a really weird design on this bike. So that's gonna be a little bit of a pain. I have to reuse more old parts than I wanted to. We accidentally broke the neutral cable. That was entirely my fault. I thought it was just an easy pull apart cable. Turned out I had a disconnect on it, and so I broke the cable, but that's an easy fix. And next step from here is going to be disconnecting the exhaust from the front of the bike, just removing the whole exhaust pipe, headers and all, and then dropping the engine out. See you in the next one. Yep. That was perfect.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Oh, it's so good. It's going good.
Clean,
Is there a car?
clean.
What are you doing over there? There's a brother.